let y'all see this stance right quick. I'm finally a real part of Stance Nation. I got all these nets out here, my bad. Finally a part of Stance Nation. Y'all ready to see it? Y'all ready to see Rambo? Y'all ready to see Rambo? Alright y'all, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo Leak. Back at you with another video. Alright, so we're about to get this thing on one more day of trying. I decided I'm gonna leave the other messed up one as it is. And as you can see, we're right now at first I'm repairing Offroad and it is up on. I'm about to try this thing one more again. Yeah, yo, I called the company the other day, and they said it might be a bad bounce, and they've seen the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, go watch it. They tried to ignite it like 10 times, and still won't work. So we about to get this thing another go, and we're also gonna try to switch the rims and see if that does anything. But everybody's just saying it's just a big gap. Cause we're putting 12,000 on 14 watts. So yeah, my man Tyler, he's over there getting the lighter and everything. I ain't gonna lie, he's working his tail off trying to get these things on. So I really want them on for the show this weekend. Y'all can catch me in North Carolina at the Buzz City Muscle Show where SIT Bree gonna be there, Toro 704. King Maji is gonna be there, Son of Reese. Everybody gonna be there, man. Y'all already know I'm pulling up. Buzz City must have putting in the work for this one. I ain't gonna lie, no cap. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna get y'all the footage. We're gonna try to get this thing again. Soon I'm gonna have to leave to go to work, but I'm gonna just leave them here, let them work. Probably come back after work. Try to get. I got my work clothes on. As you can see. I don't know if I can hear me right now because there's a lot of air going on in here right now. But yeah, man, I'll get y'all back with this footage in just 1 second. Alright, before we get into this, make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment what y'all think I should do, man. Y'all think I should sell my stocks or keep them? What y'all think I should do? Or should I just burn them down? Or should I just keep them for when I gotta transport the truck and stuff? What y'all think I should do? But, alright, y'all, I'll be back. Just one moment. Y'all stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Be right back.
Just to show you that this thing, it don't want to buzz, it don't want to move. Right with the fan on. They just kept blowing it over there. Yeah, it almost caught the liner rack on fire. Like throwing gas everywhere. This is all we got though. It's like a. What you got anymore? I'm saying we went through like 5 cans. Mario's? Yeah. On these too. But just to give you an idea of what it does. See that? I mean, even just doing that helps. It gets the tire warm. It gets the tire warm, but to. It's just not enough. Just trying. Yeah, I got enough for one more.
Hey, try to hit the that here.
Yeah, see, look in that room up there.
As I can see, y'all, it's still not working. I don't know what else to do at this point.
And I'm telling you, them guys that do that all day long, they can do it.
Yeah.
There just ain't nobody around here that does that. But we had the same, like I said, the same issue. But then obviously it can be done. There's one right there, but I don't know how they're doing it. But yeah, my friend named Mario, he had these, couldn't get them, and he drove all the way to ATD in Charlotte and got some amps, brought them back, caught just like that, doing the same technique. Must just be the sidewalls were tough on these, maybe. They look good.
Should have left them alone.
Well, who would have known?
Yeah.
But yeah, at least it's only one though. If we can just get one, you know.
Yeah, it would just be straight, man.
Yeah, that one's not bad at all. I mean, you could almost, you could just touch that thing up. You're never gonna see that. I was just told Southeastern, man, these are expensive wheels, man. You throw me a couple $100.
Right.
You could keep all of them, or you gotta send them all back?
I gotta send back the two.
To see one to keep?
Nah, cause it's like I got one more of those that will switch out for that one.
Not yet.
Yeah, they took the old one out of that one already. That one's at the house.
Okay.
But I don't know.
But you get to keep one, at least one now? Or you get some all of them?
Yeah, I got some all of them. All the replacements.
At least keep one
Right.
spare. Because I got a few spares for mine. I've never curved them, but you never know.
I'll be back. And boom, just like that, y'all, we are off work. I know I'm looking a little rough, man. I need to get it tightened up before the car show this weekend. But guess what, y'all? Guess what? Y'all won't believe what happened while I was at work. Look. Right. They got it, beat it. They got it, beat it. So, we were ready to go on. Huge shout out to Ultimate Audio, man. Huge shout out to Ultimate Audio. I tell y'all, nobody else could do it, but they pulled it off. It turns out the tire pressure gauge sensor was broke. It had a crack in it. That's why nothing was staying in. But man, well, when I tell y'all I'm excited, hey, whatever y'all need done for y'all cars, y'all can either come here to Ultimate Audio, or y'all can go down the road to First Auto Repair Offroad. It wasn't their fault. It wasn't their fault, I can honestly say. It probably was me when I was moving the tire up and down on the rim. But it's all good. Yeah, we're not gonna be sitting flush no more. That means we're gonna be ready for the show this weekend. Make sure y'all catch me in North Carolina this week. I don't know how to say the names, Abramail, something like that. You're gonna see SRT Bree, you're gonna see Living with Maji, Toro 704, and plenty of other people. Stunner Reach, you're gonna see all of them. I'm gonna have all of them on camera this weekend. But yeah, man. Huge shout out to Ultimate Audio, man. I'm gonna make this all one vlog, cause I don't want to do 2 videos. Sorry, and I need longer for content. If I put this together, it's gonna be like 5 minutes. Y'all not gonna watch that. All right, but if y'all want to get into content, Ultimate Auto here in Lexington, South Carolina, you can follow them on Instagram at Ultimate Audio SC, I believe. I'm gonna put a little picture right here, Ultimate Audio SC, and the number is 803-359-0007. All right, make sure y'all go hit them up, man. Y'all see what they do. Y'all see what kind of work they do, man. They got high-end cars. They do NFL players cars. They do all that good stuff here. Whatever you need, they got it. And obviously, when nobody else can get the job done, they can. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go drive this Rambo because I gotta get to the house because my son is waiting on me because we about to go do a little truck shopping. Cause my son needs a new truck. Y'all pray for my son. He has surgery this week. He has surgery this Thursday. Make sure y'all pray for him, man. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. And boom, just like that, it is now Wednesday. Like I told y'all. The rims get mounted today. So, say hi to my wife.
Hello, good morning.
So it is now the morning time. I got to get a cold start for y'all today. But yeah, I don't know. I think my camera's blurry. I think it's the coldness in the house mixed with a little bit of heat from outside. So yeah, we're gonna get mounted today. But unlike every other time I record for y'all, I won't be able to get it on camera. I can only get the after. A lot of stuff's getting cut out because there's such wide rims. Get this cold stuff for y'all real quick. So yeah, let's get this cold start. Let's get this cold start going. Yeah, man, I'm about to head to Sunny Shop. I will catch y'all there. I'll be right back. Hold on, y'all can see my dad's one too. Hold on. All right, sorry, gnats. But and boom, we are here. Man, so many gnats out here. But this is the last time y'all are gonna see Rambo with the stocks. I already got the power step brakes on, so this is the last thing you're gonna see with stocks. I decided I'm gonna keep my rims. Sorry, it's like a million gnats around me. I decided I'm gonna keep my stock rims and tires. I thought I was gonna sell them, but I'm gonna keep them just in case something goes wrong with one of these rims or tires, or I get a blowout. I have extra set. But all right, man, I'm about to go back here and get one more. Let y'all get one more look at the rims. All right, y'all, we are now in the back. I think I brought the spider web. I don't know if y'all can see them, but there they are, right there. And my center cap is up there. So I was walking through here, right? And look how big these American Force rims are that went on a truck. Well, they're waiting to go back on. Look at that. Look, do y'all see that? That's like a 40. Right, y'all. Like, I gotta go find out. I have to go find out what size rims these are. I'm gonna go find out. There's multiples of them. No, Furious too. Whoever got these got money. Oh, there's one over there. I think it just went down. So let me climb a little bit. They won't thing in here. If I tear up something. Cheetah. Y'all, like, I don't think y'all can really tell how big this rim is. Let's see. These are 30s. These are 30s. I got 22s. Look at that compared to that. But anyway, let me go in here and give him my keys so I can get to work. Cause I gotta take my kids on a field trip today. But at least my kids get to see this video. I might start putting some of them in video. I might start making some videos of like me, so like I can't direct them. Like the real stuff I want to say, cause some of the kids can actually take it, some kids can't. But it's all good. But alright, y'all. I gotta go to work, so I'm gonna see y'all after the rims are put on, which will be tonight when I get off work. So see y'all later. Gotta go. I am boom, just like that. I am off of work, man. We are back right here at First Auto Repair Offroad. Y'all see the sign right here. We are in Lexington, South Carolina, as y'all know from before. But boy, Rambo is finally done. First of all, I'm gonna let y'all see this stance right quick. I'm finally a real part of Stance Nation. I got all these gnats out here, my bad. Finally a part of Stance Nation. Y'all ready to see it? Y'all ready to see Rambo? Y'all ready to see Rambo? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, y'all see it, man. We sure ready for this one. Yes, sir. We are show ready, y'all. And don't worry, I will not be selling those. I thought about it. I will not be selling them after all. Yes, sir. And boom, just like that, y'all, we are show ready for this weekend. Make sure y'all catch both of us in North Carolina this weekend. I'm also get these rims repainted too. But make sure y'all catch us in North Carolina, man, this weekend, man. We are all up this weekend. But I would have shown y'all more, but I gotta go. I gotta go because I gotta go get my son ready. Y'all pray for my son because he's having surgery tomorrow, which is Thursday. Make sure y'all just keep him in your prayers because he loves y'all. He loves y'all's support and he loves watching other YouTubers, man. Make sure y'all keep him in prayers. But all right, y'all. I gotta get this thumbnail. I gotta hop up out of here. I'm gonna let y'all see it one more time. And where's my boy Darius? This thing bodacious right here now. But all right, y'all. I'm gone. Peace. Make sure y'all go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make sure y'all stay tuned for this weekend because we are going up this weekend. Make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm gone. Peace.